Hey guys, welcome on in. It's been a long time since we've done a screencast, right? Hopefully you guys are doing well and your families are doing well. I know if Principal Anderson were here, he would say, thinking about you, care about you, want the best for you. And today we're going to kick things off by getting you going on what's called ReadWorks. This is what we'll be doing every Monday while the school has a soft closure. So every Monday, just plan on logging into Canvas and then going to modules once you're in the language arts course. And this is the page you will see, right? So when you go to the very top of the modules page, you're going to click on ReadWorks Instructions. And once you click on it, it says read these instructions carefully, and there is a purpose for that. So notice these are instructions for period 1. These are instructions for period 2, so on and so forth. And there is a very specific reason why we have separate instructions for each hour. Now on the surface, they look virtually the same, but you'll notice these class codes are different, and they are different because each of you are in different class hours, and you need the code specific to your class hour for grading purposes. So what I'm going to do is copy this code, and then I'm going to click on the link for the ReadWorks site. Now once I click on that, it's going to ask me to enter the class code. So what I would do if I were a student is I would click there, then click continue. Then it will prompt me to add my student Gmail account information. So please make sure that you enter that once again for grading purposes, okay? Now, once you arrive on the main page that you're going to need, you should see something like this. The first paired passage you're going to read is called Unsolved Mysteries. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and open it up. And you're going to see two passages. The first one is called Unexpected Trip. And if I want to access the second passage, all I have to do is move my cursor right here and click on it. So once again, if I click here, it opens up the first one. This one opens up the Run, which is actually a series. And we're going to try to read this whole series as the year goes on, regardless whether or not we have soft closures. This is good practice for you guys. Okay, so after you've read both passages, you're going to go ahead and click on where it says question set. There are 6 questions that you'll need to answer. Please make sure to follow the directions very carefully, read the questions carefully, and then provide your answer. Okay, that's all you guys need to do, other than you should be completing 20 minutes of reading from your personal reading book and then writing down your pages on your reading logs. If you have any questions, any technical difficulties, please feel free to email me at my school email address. Okay, thanks for tuning in and good luck to you guys.